Before starting the video, I have a questions for you. Do you want to learn English quickly? If yes, then do comment in the comment box. I know most of the English learner always keep thinking in their mind that what is the best way to learn English? What is the quickest way to learn English? Namaskar, I'm Rita. Welcome back in this linguistic journey. If you're new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe button. Today in this video, I'm going to share what is the best and the quickest way to learn English. Look, whenever you are learning something, you should surround yourself with that things. Then only you can able to learn that things. Similarly, when you want to learn English language, you should surround yourself with English. Questions may arise in your mind. Should we go to native country to learn this language? Where you can eat, breathe and live 24 hours in speaking English environment, because immersive learning is the best way to learn any language. But the problem is that it is not affordable to travel another country to get the immersive environment. If you have a desire to learn speaking English, then you have to create such environment by yourself at your home. But the condition is that you should have that kind of mindset. I want to share one of my experience here. Sometime while scrolling my mobile screen, I come across the cooking content. As soon as I see the cooking content, I have a feeling that yes, I have to cook this dish for my family. It means at that moment my mind get set that yes, I have to do that work. Similarly, you have to organize the things around you in such a way, whenever you see that things, your mind gets set that yes, I have to do this. For this, you have to fill your room with English reading material or create a cozy reading corner and decorate the shelf for English reading book so that you can see that book easily, and whenever you see that book, you suddenly realized that yes, I have to read that book. Remember, make reading habit on regular basis. Label the things in English. Labeling things in English is one of the effective way to memorize the vocabulary in English. Put a small sticker or label on the object in English around your house, like refrigerator, spices name, televisions, door, fan, table and so many. This will help you to remember the name of this object with the English language. Whenever you see the label of this object, always try to say it loud in English. This is the actual practical way to learn English. Watch TV shows or video in English. You expose yourself to this language, because in authentic way you can learn the pronunciations, intonation, accent, idioms, vocabulary, expression. Pay attention how the different words are used in different situations to expand your vocabulary. Think in English. Thinking in English is an effective way to create an English speaking environment where you can speak your English yourself. I had already made a brief video on that particular topic. If you want, then you can watch it. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe button. If you want to learn quickly and the fastest way to this language, the steps which I had mentioned in this video, please follow up. Then you can realize that how quickly you can learn this language. Thank you. Vande Mataram.